Don't know Brown Mogotsi.
Not even as a comrade.
No, I've just known him of late because he's quite big on media. I think he's the biggest person on media at the present moment.
You never met him in person?
No. I haven't met Brown Mogotsi.
He's not on your WhatsApp?
My WhatsApp?
Yeah.
No. Brown Mogotsi is not there. I've seen him and talking how he. When I had the name Mogotsi, that he is close to the minister, the spokesperson for the minister is Mogotsi, but is a lady. So I have always
the spokesperson for
the minister
Nkunu,
yeah,
is Mogotsi.
Yes. So, but
just one moment, Honorable Malema.
Minister, do you have a WhatsApp?
yes, I do.
Okay, thanks.
I do have a WhatsApp that I read and never write on it. Not once in life I've written either WhatsApp or any text message. With all my years with my wife, she has never received a text message from me. Not once. She said I must not say that. So with my PA that I've worked almost 20 years, Sharon, she has never received. With Mkwanazi, whom I have a lot of written messages from him, he has never received one from me. By the way, including because I saw the war between Mkwanazi and Sibia about the question of AKA that Mkwanazi did not want to report to me. But a person who reported to me the matter of AKA was Mkwanazi, who sent me the message at about 11:30 at night. So that's why it was funny for me that he does not report to politicians when they were fighting with this SBA, when he is done. But himself, he can't show nobody, Honorable Malema, in the Republic of South Africa that can show you a written message that comes from Cele.
Yeah, no, honorable members, the secretary of our committee is showing me a list of unanswered WhatsApp text to General Cele. Honorable Shogwe.
Thank you, Chair. I wanted to ask, what is there a relationship between the two Mogotsis, the spokesperson and the other Mogotsi? Thank you.
No, I don't know. I have no information, Honorable Member.
May I proceed, Chair? Thank you, General. But you know Matlala?
Very well.
Okay.
I think
When did you first meet Matlala?
I met Matlala in December
Of?
last year,
2024,
2024. That's the
before
first
the directive.
That's the first time I met Matlala. December 2024. I can't remember the date, but it was after the raid.
The raid on the 8th or the 6th, the 6th of
Yeah.
December.
Because that's one thing that brought him to me.
So
You-
what is there a connection between the raid on 6th December where we know
There are,
that PKTT...
there are issues that he raised to me about the raid.
So can you tell us, well, first tell us how it is that you came to meet him.
You,
Did you know him before that?
no, I didn't know him before that, and I don't know how it happened because the people of his stature, I would know about them, especially from what the township? From MAMS, from Mamelodi. I have had a lot of community engagement in Mamelodi, and they will raise the issues about the people that give them trouble. One person that was very prominent was Keke. There's a guy called Keke in Mamelodi. I think he's doing 20 years now. It's been said. So we went there. We had Imbizo. 27 people spoke at Imbizo. Not a single one spoke of Keke. The 27th person spoke about Keke and was given a standing ovation. And this person made a statement that I'm ready to die after speaking with Keke. So you would know that there are people like Keke and things. But nobody ever raised an issue about Matlala. Nobody. Then Bongani Mpungos, who is a son of Sputla Mpungos, who is a son of Sputla Mpungos, who comes from Nongoma or Matubatuba, where he comes from, and a very notorious taxi person. Because of my involvement as the MEC for Transport and Police, when there are problems of taxi industry, then I will meet these people. So I knew Sputla through that, the father of Bongani. So Bongani then brings Matlala to me. So I think a week or 2 weeks I've read earlier to say there is this Tembisa person who has received this 360, is it 360 or 260 amount of contract from the South African police. They came and I met them in Beverly Hills in Durban. So I met there. I think I delayed two days because Bongani, who's known as Mabonga, did not tell me that he's bringing somebody else. So as I came there, because there was a photo of Kate, I said to him, "You look like Kate." He said, "I'm one." I said, "Nkosiam, what's the story with you and me and all that?" So he said, "No, he has asked Mabonga to come to me because there are 2 issues he wants to raise with me."
Where were you meeting?
Beverly Hills Hotel in Durban.
The Beverly Hills Hotel.
Yes, sir. Do you know Beverly Hills?
It's a fancy hotel.
Yeah, it's a very high, it's a high-end hotel. No doubt about it. It's a high-end hotel, Beverly Hills. But we met at the